shit. You fucking idiots.
And the drugs. Don't make it so obvious.
So you do have drugs.
Put her there.
God, you idiot.
Do it, Charlie.
Shit.
Play the great lottery of life. Go on, Charlie. Enjoy it. Open it up, my boy. Oh.
Oh, shit. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Fuck! Beginning of a student's new life as an IT professional, and completion of your student journey is focused on results, getting you from life to unrewarded.
Get the little dots on that hill. I know the cap. Stop!
You okay? Flat tire.
I think so.
You can
Fuck.
go back any further.
Fuck.
And right here. Not this one, the next one. Yep. And then you go in.
Right here?
Yep. You okay?
Oh.
Alright, hold on. It's okay.
Alright, so the guy in front of me is completely wasted. I've already called it into the Illinois State Police. Trying to maintain a safe distance here. Oh god! Oh my 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 god! Oh, I called into the state police already. That this guy was just wasted driving down the highway, like just like.
Literally just got cut off, and I had to get like side someone, so that's why I was there. And then I guess I literally a state trooper just left. I've already called it in. Like they're on their way. Like, yeah, this guy, like I've been following him for like 5 miles. He was going in and out, like not even using like turn signals or anything. Yeah, this guy was. Yeah, it's not good. Make sure they're fine. Like no one's
hurt. Lucky man.
Yeah, no, he was actually completely wasted. I was following him for the past like 5 miles. I called it into the Illinois State Police. He was like.
What happened, truck? He did one.
No. He was like weaving like back and forth.
Oh my god! Oh my god! What the heck? Get out! Are you guys okay? No, don't get out.
Oh fuck! What the fuck was that guy doing? Jesus Christ.
It's not legal. So they're going to get into some serious trouble. That's not right to shoot, kill an animal while it's in hibernation. It's sleeping. It's fine, you know, enjoy its weekend. Right. No, it's better. Why don't we just trick it with some food? Let it come out here in plain sight when, you know, like, no, I'm your friend. Why don't we fake call that I'm one of you, right? That's definitely a little bit better.
The track in this upper level, that means
That's true. But you know, given that white people are never gonna give up on doing blackface, like, would it be irresponsible for at least people of color to make money from the blackface?
Oh,
Just like if you're gonna do blackface, get a black person to do it for you.
Yeah.
Oh, we.
Oh my. Go on, dude.